Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between regular dividend and special dividend. Number 1. Regular dividend is a recurring payout made on a normal schedule, whereas special dividend is an extra one-time payout made outside the normal schedule. Number 2. Regular dividend is usually paid monthly, quarterly, or annually, whereas special dividend is paid only occasionally. Number 3. Regular dividend is usually more predictable, whereas special dividend is less predictable. Number 4. Regular dividend is based on the company's ongoing dividend policy, whereas special dividend is often triggered by excess cash or special events. Number 5. Regular dividend is meant to provide steady income to shareholders, whereas special dividend is meant to distribute surplus cash or exceptional profits. Number 6. Regular dividend is often expected by income investors, whereas special dividend is usually seen as a bonus. Number 7. Regular dividend follows a repeated payment pattern, whereas special dividend does not imply repetition. Number 8. Regular dividend amount tends to be relatively stable, whereas special dividend amount can vary significantly. Number 9. Regular dividend signals consistent earnings and policy stability, whereas special dividend signals an unusually strong cash position or a special transaction. Number 10. Regular dividend is useful for planning recurring income, whereas special dividend is less reliable for ongoing income planning. Number 11. Regular dividend is best for income-focused and long-term investors, whereas special dividend is better for investors seeking occasional extra returns. Number 12. Regular dividend is common in mature and stable companies, whereas special dividend often follows asset sales, windfalls, or excess reserves. Number 13. Regular dividend often causes the stock price to adjust by the dividend amount on the ex-dividend date, whereas special dividend may cause a larger one-time price adjustment. Number 14. Regular dividend is often used in dividend-based valuation models, whereas special dividend is usually excluded from normal recurring income estimates. Number 15. Regular dividend supports dependable passive income, whereas special dividend enhances returns through occasional extra payouts. So, the quick takeaway is that regular dividends focus on dependable recurring income, whereas special dividends focus on occasional extra cash distributions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.